How to check your transmission fluid on a 2010 Honda CR-V. Pretty simple. Drive it around a little bit, get it up to temp, shut it off, and wait 2 minutes. And you do not check these running. There's the dipstick there, just on the other side of the battery. So I already pulled out the dipstick and wiped it off, and then I reinserted it. As you can see too, on this dipstick there's a little notch down in there. You won't be able to see it. You can kind of see it. This only goes one way, the dipstick. So anyway, pull it back out. Try to do this with one hand. I'll just get this. And as you can see, this has a hot mark. So you want it to be, when the engine's hot, it should be up to that second hole, but not too much further. This one looks like it's just about right. And you also want to make sure that your fluid looks nice and pinkish red and not dark. And that's pretty much it. Just put the dipstick back in, make sure you get it lined up correctly, and you should be good to go.